Let's do monkey marathon.
Hey guys, we're gonna be doing monkey marathon, or I'm gonna be doing monkey marathon level 5. And if that's
okay, I want to do it.
Yeah, you can come. Level 5 monkey marathon.
I'm here.
Okay.
No, this is the other scariest.
Ooh, he's down there.
I got them.
Monkey.
Bro, come back.
Oh no.
I'm gonna touch him.
Hey, can I touch you? Was that weird?
Bye.
Fun.
Go over there, I dare you.
This way? Or that way?
Okay. Alright, guys, I know where all the buttons are. I'll show you guys.
We're not beating the level.
Follow me.
We're not beating the level, remember? Monkey marathon.
Come on, over here. In here. Let me touch it. Come back. You're dead, bro. Come back. He's coming. Run. Come to start.
No, bro.
Okay. Bro.
It's
Guys,
monkey marathon.
One
You
is.
can't go in the safe zone. Monkey marathon.
Let's just skip this level. Let's just skip it. Let's
It's
just
monkey
skip
marathon. We're not skipping the level, or we're beating the level.
What? Hurry this way.
I feel like we should be running.
Yes, we should. Bro? He died. I'm skipping it. He died. We have to go for him. Come on.
Bye.
Woo!
Bro, we're gonna come to you.
Oh my god, bro.
No, we're not skipping it. There's one more button. Don't worry. No, I have only pressed one.
I'm not beating the level, bro. I'm not gonna beat the level. I'm doing
Oh my
monkey
gosh,
marathon.
bro, come here. Let's go, guys. Let's go this way.
You guys can beat the level, but I'm not. Oh god. It's just
I love bananas.
I'm just walking. I'm just running. No. I'm just gonna walk around.
Wait for me, wait. Black way.
I'm just walking.
Black way.
Please no, please. Oh no!
Did you hear the garage open?
Not this door.
We have to go back. Bro, just die. Blue, are you up there? Alright, I'm gonna start. Come start. Did you get it?
I'm not beating the level. I'm doing monkey marathon. You know this. And you're dead. Woo! Yeah, actually, no. Nah. I'm not doing that. Oh no, I was already there.
Dang it. Black.
Oh, that's her. It's a big room.
This is a dead end.
It's a big room though to hang out.
Hurry, climb up.
Hurry! No! Oh, no, please, no, please, no, please, please. I was just gonna run.
Yeah? Hello?
Hello?
Wow. Oh yeah, you're here. Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me. Wait for me, wait, Black. Alright. How do we beat this level?
I'm not beating the level. You guys can, but I'm not.
You guys, I'm gonna play.
Stupid monkey!
No, Black, come. Let's just play a different level. Play a different game. My viewers are about to die. Can you just play another level? Yeah? With me? Can you just play another level with me?
Oh no. Black, you're dead.
Blue, wait. Cyan, wait. Hello?
Guys, that's gonna be the end of the video.
Level
If you don't
11.
subscribe,
What level?
You
You just have to be good. Everybody go to
So yeah,
level
join the friend
11 for
code
being
ICEGT
scary. Level 11.
and yeah,
No.
I might be in there, I might not be in there, but join them and be scary or in Bye.